Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So today I'm going to be talking a little bit about my recovery boards. What I'm using are GoTreads. These are very compact recovery boards. I also use them to level out the vehicle. As you can see, I sleep in a rooftop tent, and it's really important if I'm on uneven surfaces that I'm able to level out. Another nice thing about these recovery boards is that, whatever tires that it's stuck on, you can just lay them out. They open up and they're very compact. When they're closed, it's only about a few inches thick. These also act as a bottle jack stand in case you have a lifted vehicle and it's hard to get underneath. Instead of carrying some 2x4s, you can use these as well. They come with a lifetime warranty, so if you have any problems, GoTreads will take care of this for you. This is my second set. The first set got ruined during some recoveries, and they took care of that for me, hassle-free. And my favorite part about it is the storage. So it really doesn't take up much room. I have them tucked into the quarter panel of my vehicle, and it doesn't take up a lot of room. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Go ahead and leave a comment. I'll be sure to answer it for you guys.